We are pleased to show you the 2014 Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.